one last. Si Kenneth Dong, is he associated to Davao Group?
Wala po akong personal knowledge. Parang nakikita ko lang may picture sila eh. Hindi ko po alam.
Do you believe that what happened at the warehouse, the raid that happened at the warehouse, where this metal cylinder was discovered containing shabu, do you believe that this is just part of the regular operation of the law enforcement, and it is just a coincidence that you are one among those enrolled with Davao Group? Nagkataon lang ba ito?
Sa akin po, kasi wala naman po akong personal knowledge. Sabi ko, nagkataon lang.
Nagkataon lang.
Opo. Dahil wala naman po akong alam. Bukod dyan wala po akong alam sa mga ganyang bagay.